This is truly a fantastic property, located in the well-known urbanization Koma II in Aguas Nuevas. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Just search for Kolstad Property. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more amazing homes on the Costa Blanca. The home features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, a glazed terrace on the ground floor, a cozy private garden, and a large sun terrace on the 2nd floor. It also includes private parking in a gated area. The property is sold fully furnished and comes with all appliances, underfloor heating in the bathrooms, and air conditioning already installed. Koma II is famous for its amazing communal area, with a beautiful large swimming pool, jacuzzi, a paddle and tennis court, and a playground area for children. The residential area is located just about 1 kilometer from the Mediterranean Sea. You're close to all services, including restaurants, supermarkets, pharmacies, and shopping centers like Torreblanca Marina, Habaneras and Carrefour. La Mata Beach and Los Locos Beach are just a few minutes away by car. The price is €265,000. For more information, contact Kolstad Property. We are Scandinavian agents with many years of experience in the Torrevieja area. We respond quickly and guide you through the whole buying process.